Welcome to Firefire's YouTube. Today we're going to be firing up over here at Universal Studios Hollywood. Not already following me on Instagram or X at the Caliban. Please subscribe, hit the like button, fire it up. I'm the main host, Mondo. Let's do this. Beautiful day out here at Universal Studios Hollywood. Today is Thursday. Big crowds today, shockingly. Most importantly, John Murdy's thumbs were prickling. We got an announcement. Check it out.
Live the horror you love to watch at Universal Halloween Horror Nights, featuring Terrifier and more.
Can you believe it is official? It is official. Terrifier, freaking Terrifier is coming to Horror Nights. It's going to be out there at Curious George parking lot. It looks like it still has the tarp, so we really don't see the facade. But it's going to be that haunted house that we saw in Terrifier 2. The way everything read, we're going to pretty much get scenes from all the Terrifiers. So we're going to have some Christmas in there, which is going to be kind of crazy. I am excited. I love Terrifier. The merch has actually arrived. Let's go check that out. So far, we got Jason and the Fallout character for Halloween Horror Nights. But the big news today is this right here. Take a look at that. And what's really cool about this shirt, the blood, it's like, you can feel it. You know what I mean? Compared to this, you can feel that. It's different. See what I'm saying? This is going to be the goriest water spraying house we ever seen. That's how they do gore at Horror Nights, with water. Just imagine the amount of times we're about to get soaked. Which honestly, I don't mind. It's so hot in September, October. It's gonna feel great. #1 house, possibly best house ever, in my opinion. I'm putting it out there right now. Possibly best house ever. And here's the logo at the bottom. It's so crazy because I just saw these people at Monsterpalooza. I can only imagine they're gonna be at the red carpet for Horror Nights later on this year. Also too, we got this. Wow. So it's looking like Five Nights at Freddy's gonna be the centerpiece. Also too, they came with like a string backpack. The shirt was $35. The stained glass thing is $8. This one's $35 as well. It's so shocking to see this face out here at Universal right now. Terrifier. Heck yeah. A quick recap for the Jason one, the Jason announcement one, this one. They keep restocking, look, 3X. And Fallout, there's just always a lot. But yeah, Jason, I keep seeing this sell out, but they keep restocking, so that's pretty cool, man. I love that Hollywood's doing that. Since Terrifier is official and this is the direction we head to Curious George parking lot, is that going to be Clown Cafe? Is Hollywood and Dine going to be Clown Cafe? What do you guys think? A Terrifier restaurant right here? Oh my Lanta. What kind of foods could they even bring from the Terrifier world? Officially just bought my frequent fare and it cost $199. I never buy like the super frequent fare where you get no blockout days because I gotta go to Scary Farm and Fright Fest and Dark Harbors, you know what I mean? So that's why I just buy the regular frequent fare. Next to the Fast and Furious Hollywood Drift Ride vehicle, they've added the concept art now of what it's gonna look like. It's so crazy that this is just right there. I can't wait till they put these decals up. I can't wait till the walls come down, honestly. Man, it's gonna be so epic. The walls are still up over here for Monstrose Tress. When are these walls gonna come down? I wanna see the facade. We got more branches though. That's the big update here, more branches. A question I also got, Mel's Diner's been kind of going with the seasons. Does this kind of convert into something Horror Nights as well? Like, could it be a Fallout restaurant maybe of some sort? Is there any kind of like Fallout branding that would fit in this? I haven't played the game or watched the show really, so that's why I ask you guys. What do you guys think? Another great question to ask, Moulin Rouge is the VIP restaurant for RIP during Horror Nights. Could we maybe get a Terrifier meet and greet or photo op right here? Imagine how sick that'll be. That's what everybody wants. We want Art the Clown right here. It's like, where is the ride vehicle? Last time we saw it right here. Oh my gosh, it's way out there. Wow. Did it go through the loop? No, it hasn't gone through the loop. Okay. That's what some people were commenting last time. It was going through the LSMs right here. So up next, that loop right there. Oh my Lanta. I can't wait to see it right here. Look at that. That's going to be such an epic photo to have the ride vehicle just stop right there. Wow. So cool. Hopefully the wait is not too bad. It says 20 minutes for studio tour. Hopefully Terrifier over there at Curious George is unveiled. It had a tarp for like a month or so. It's been covered for a while, so we'll see if Terrifier is unveiled today.
It's a lot of work to do overnight. Next year, that opens up. This is not a movie set on the right side of the tram. This is a real fire station. A lot of times you're driving by, people take pictures, unaware that they have these in every city. They get excited. We have real heroes. We've got this film on that stage.
So only house not announced yet.
The next 3 stages on the left, 11, 10, and 9, are used for the HBO Max series Hacks comedy series, and this is the final season of the show. It streams on Peacock, which is a streaming service that has a lot of our content. There's a lot just on, cameras are rolling, and I have to turn off all the sound on the tram. So if I stop talking suddenly, it's because I see a light on. These next 2 stages, 16 and 17, are used for Loot, comedy series with Maya Rudolph, and then the new drama. Ted is standing in front of the bungalows, which are offices for writers, directors, and producers, and get food. You know who they're cooking for? Niall Horan, Michael Bublé, Reba McEntire, Snoop Dogg, all the voice coaches for the new season of The Voice, which is filming right now inside sound stages 30 and 31. So all these trailers out here, these are for the people that I just mentioned. They've removed the walls in between those stages. The shark has the dock. Once again, everybody, please remain seated. Our tram needs to move forward because the shark's right next to us.
They're filming a pizza commercial today. I wonder what pizza.
The stage ready for us. We're going to stop for a moment, even when we come to a complete stop. Whoa, hold on. It's an earthquake. vehicle, the Glamour tram. That's what the trams looked like in 1964 when we first started giving tours. But behind it is a gyrosphere from Jurassic World, Jeep from Jurassic Park, cars from the Flintstones. Those are all movies that Spielberg produced. He didn't produce the Fast and Furious films, but we've got some vehicles from that franchise. He is a producer of Paramount's Transformers, and there's one of the bumblebees that was used. Over on the other side of the tram, on the right side, they're doing a lot of construction right now for this year's Halloween Horror Nights. We do it every year, begins in September, and this section of the tour becomes the Terror Tram, where we make people get off the tram in the middle of the night, walk through this area in the dark while people jump out and scare you. And they're building the set right in front of the house from Psycho. This is the Bates Motel we're passing by, which is run by Norman Bates, and he lives in that creepy house at the top of the hill. We're going to be driving right by his home. He doesn't live alone. He lives with his mother. And normally Mrs. Bates sits in a rocking chair and she stares out of her bedroom window from the second floor and she watches our trams drive by. So as we pass by the house, you might catch a glimpse of Mrs. Bates looking through the curtains. There's Norman. Norman doesn't like when trams drive by. Norman, there's a set in your backyard. We just want to pass through so I can show the people that... Put the knife away, Norman. Go back in the house. Don't look at me like that. Norman Bates, don't do what you're thinking. Do not walk towards the tram. Norman, put the knife. That log cabin, and that was built for the comedy The Great Outdoors with John Candy, Dan Aykroyd, Annette Bening. This was the former site for Fast and Furious Supercharge, which permanently closed in February as we anticipate our next Fast and Furious attraction, Hollywood Drift, which is going to be opening up next year. On the tour, a little bit earlier, we experienced what we do when they're filming on the lot. You can continue your movie-making experience by going on the rides based on hit movies and television shows. Like we've got the Simpsons ride, the Transformers ride.
Something I saw that's very interesting I wasn't looking out for, but it's just happened to notice it. Right behind Simpsons, there was a lot of trees with red tape. And it wasn't like 2, 3, I'm talking like 10, 12, maybe more trees with red tape. I don't know what that could mean, but I just wanted to put that out there. Terrifier is over there at Curious George. It's still tarped up, so the facade, we really can't. There's no way to look at it. John Murdy is tweeting, finally. He said he saw Terrifier and said it lived up to the hype. There's no other way to say it. Terrifier 2, Terrifier 3. These movies are just gore fest. Literally, that's what they are. And he confirmed that the Halloween Horror Night house here in Hollywood will not be toned down, will be a gore fest, and pretty much a splash zone because there's just going to be blood going everywhere. And that's what Terrifier is. Oh, I'm so happy. Terrifier in Hollywood. I just bought my Frequent Fear. What a beautiful day. Beautiful, beautiful day. That's going to be all for today's adventure out here at Universal. It is so hot, so you guys are preparing to come anytime from now and honestly for the rest of July. It's just hot out here, so be prepared. Bring a cup so you can just fill it up with water. Don't spend that money on water. Bring a cup. All right, smash that like button. Let me know what your thoughts are on all these Halloween Horror Night conversation and stuff you saw in today's video. That Terror Tram's really coming to life. Really, really coming to life. Is it going to be the same? That's all I keep thinking. Is it going to be the same as last year? All right, smash that like button. Burn it.